Here are the main weather topics for the next several days. It all starts with that chance of freezing temperatures tonight. Most areas locally at or below freezing. Cover up those plants. Bring your pets inside as well. But after that freezing start tomorrow, a nice warming trend follows with temperatures near 60 tomorrow, then well into the 60s Saturday, even 70s by the time we get to Sunday. But that back edge of the weekend is our next potential weather maker. Got a cold front arriving with rain and possibly some strong and borderline severe storms Sunday night. Still several days away, but no doubt we are closely tracking that. Meanwhile, right now, temperatures are mostly in the 40s, while already slipping to the 30s in many spots and feeling colder with that breeze out there. Compared to yesterday at this time, we are running, as expected, about 30 degrees or more below where we were 24 hours ago. And there's that breeze still between 15 and over 25 miles an hour. This will remain up throughout the evening, gradually diminishing overnight, and tomorrow not nearly as windy. There are still some patchy areas of drizzle, a little light rain, where you see some blue here. Don't be surprised. Some snowflakes at higher elevations. It's not going to cause any problems, but don't be surprised to see that mainly through the evening. Gradually overnight, skies are clear. In fact, that clearing line, it's not far away, just west of Nashville, so skies are clear late tonight. And high pressure way off to our south and west will move across the Gulf tomorrow, and that'll start warming us up and keeping us mainly dry for the next several days. All the cold air, it's a brief round of cold air, it goes away off to the north and east. So after that bitter cold start tomorrow morning, where most areas will be at or below freezing, a gradual warm up tomorrow afternoon. Highs upper 50s to right around 60. Some late day clouds. In fact, the clouds will kind of move on through Friday night. It's still mainly dry. We'll start partly sunny Saturday, then plenty of sunshine through the afternoon. A nice warm up follows. Temperatures back in the mid to upper 60s. Even most of the day Sunday is okay. Clouds coming in, upper 30s to around 40 early. By late day with a strengthening southerly wind, we'll see temperatures nearing 70 by late in the afternoon. Then we turn our attention Sunday night to the west. This will be with a cold front moving in. And I would say by late evening, right around midnight to the early pre-night hours of Monday, that's when a line of showers and storms head of a cold front could move on through. It should move out by early Monday morning, right around sunrise or so. But already the Storm Prediction Center has outlined this as a 15% chance of some severe storms. That's the equivalent of a level 2 slight risk of severe storms. We're on the far kind of northeastern fringe of this swath with a better chance probably to the south or west, but no doubt we'll keep an eye on that as things can still change between now and Sunday night. But you'll see that in the 7-day forecast. So for tomorrow, watch that below freezing start early. It's followed by sunshine, not as windy, and highs upper 50s to around 60 by late into the afternoon. Temperatures continue to warm through the weekend. Again, we'll keep an eye on that chance of overnight rain and storms Sunday night through early Monday. Once the storms move out Monday morning, things are calmer and temperatures quite seasonable for most of next week.
All right, David.